Are you TikTok stars ready to go to Palawan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Palawan, we're going to go to the island of Coron.
What?
We're going to the island of Coron.
Yeah.
What are we going to do there? What do you think?
Picture.
Going what?
I'm gonna take picture.
Pictures? You're going to take pictures?
Yeah.
Are we going to the beach? Yep. Are we going to go for a boat ride? You know, I hope so. So we're here in the airport in Manila, waiting for our flight with the posse, with our posse and our TikTok star. Take a picture, Cebu's Pacific. This is our flight, our plane to Coron. There's the airport. Pretty good size. We got our plane and one other plane parked way over off to the side. Busawanga Airport. Yep. All right. This is inside St. Augustine Parish, founded in 1901. All right, so we just stopped at the St. Augustine Chapel behind us, right back there. It was from our hotel that we're staying at. It was only about a 5-minute walk, probably less than that. It was real short. And since we're here, we decided to go to the 700 steps walk, which is just a couple blocks away. And we figured we'd try it. We're here. If we didn't try it, we'd probably be disappointed that we didn't try it. So we're going to try it. Even though it's 86 degrees and like 100% humidity. And I'm already sweating just going up the few steps that we've gone up the hill here. But we're going to try it. Everyone keeps talking about these 700 steps. I think it goes up to the top of the hill. Or there's a cross, I think, or something up there. And a nice view. So, we embark on our journey to go to the 700 steps. You ready, Kim Kim?
Let's see.
I think that was a yes.
Yes.
A resounding yes.
Yes.
He's been living for this day for years now. So we are on Tapias Road. Instead of paying somebody to drive us all the way around to the other side, we're just going to walk the back way. Must be where all those cars are at up there. I bet you that's it. It's a little bit of a steep walk. And it's probably only not even begun yet, the hard work. Zoom out a little bit here. That must be it up there, where the cross is at, on top of the mountain. I'm wondering if Kim Kim needs an ashtray. You know? What did we get ourselves into here, huh? All right, let's go. We decided to stop at this little store behind us, get some Gatorade for the hike up. So I know I'm going to need it. Maybe not Kim Kim, because he's in perfect athletic shape. But I know I'm going to need it because I'm old and fat. I think we're on step like number 25. We've just left the parking lot. but already the view is really pretty beautiful. We've almost made it. 600 stairs. Looks like there's about 20 steps up. There's the 600 stair. Whew. We're pretty tired. The first 100 stairs I think were the hardest. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I think they marked off the first 100 stairs. I think that was their way of saying turn around and go back. We kept waiting for 200 and 300 and never saw it. But right up there we see 600. Just a little ways up there. But I'm not going to spoil the surprise, but the view is actually very pretty so far.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah, very pretty. And here is the 600th step. Almost there. Looks like the last 100 are pretty steep too. When we made it to the top of the 720 steps, I actually lied to you. It's actually 20 more steps than what was advertised. So 720 steps to get to the top. The view from up here is just amazing. I mean, look at that. See the whole countryside around here from up here. Get a nice view of the sign of Coron in front of the cross. Beautiful view of the mountains across the bay there. I guess that's the actual island of Coron over there, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, look at how pretty that island is over there. Have a nice big platform up here. You can come and take pictures. Get your picture taken with the cross. Let's get a wide angle picture here. Get the cross there. Okay, note to self, next time I come here, come over to this side of the mountain. There's a really nice breeze on this side of the mountain. We've spent the last quite some time over here taking pictures and whatnot.
Like 2 hours.
Yeah, it's been a while. And watching some other guy fly his drone around. I don't know who would do such a thing. We decided to walk. They were going to walk up here on top of this hill, the last couple steps, and just got to the top of these stairs here. Like, oh, this breeze coming up over the top of this mountain feels really good. I wish we'd come up here before, because there was like absolutely no breeze down there on the other side. Live and learn. But that's why I'm telling my 3 subscribers on YouTube, so when you watch this, you can know to make sure to come to this side of the hill so you can get the breeze. Can't get over that view though. I mean, look at that view. That's the town of Coron down there. Just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And since the sun is already going down and it gets dark very fast around here, we should probably start heading back pretty soon. This is from the back side of 700 steps, just to see what was over here. Got a beautiful sunset. I'm gonna have to get some pictures of that. Just beautiful. It's still a nice breeze on this side. That breeze feels really good. You can tell it's getting cooler now that the sun is behind the clouds. It's starting to go down. what time is it? 8 o'clock at night. We got back from the 700 steps. Kim and I are hungry, and we're trying to find a place for the group to go eat. So we stopped at Carl's Barbecue. We have a big group. We have like 8 adults and 4 kids. And the only place they had for us were these little two cabanas. So we're going to get these and eat here. This looks pretty fancy. It smells really good. This is Carl's Barbecue. We walked past it on the way back to the hotel. Great place. This is what we're getting for dinner. I guess this is a full slab. Ribs, about $12 US.